how to pay with PayPal on Klarna. If you would like to use Klarna, but then you'd like to use PayPal as your payment method so that you can check out using PayPal, it's very simple to do so. First of all, launch the Klarna app, log into your account and select a website from where you want to buy from, right? So in this case, if I select Sephora, once I've done that, I can choose to get the app, or I can also keep on continuing on the browser. And from here, I just need to add the products that I want to my cart. So just keep on adding the products to your cart, and when you're finally on the checkout page, right, and then you would like to use payment method as PayPal because you don't have other payment options available, in that case you can just tap on the checkout shipped items button, and here you can add some coupons if you want to, or what you can do is here under my basket you can see PayPal. So all you have to do is tap on PayPal and log in with your PayPal account to link it and pay using PayPal. If you want to use other payment method, you can go to checkout and you can see other payment methods there, but if you want, you can just select PayPal only. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.